Okay, we just got through the long line of checking in and just wanted to show you the ship. There's the name of it. There's lifeboats, so we're good with that. And we're fixing to go on through and then get on the ship. It's hot right here where we're standing in this terminal. Well, our second full day at sea. We haven't seen any land in 2 days. But they're saying that the wind is supposed to get up pretty high tonight, so they're wanting us to prepare for high winds. We don't know how high. I think he said something about 29 knots or something, I don't know. But people are saying it's already pretty high out on deck, so we're probably not going to go out on deck any. I think we'll be docking sometime in the middle of the night tonight at the British Virgin Isle. So we're going to try to go off there and try to find a razor for your daddy because he's looking pretty shabby. And just wanted y'all to get a little view. I love you guys. Miss you. Miss my grandbabies too. Give them all hugs and kisses for us. And we will talk to you guys later. Bye. In the card party, we're done with this card. Everybody's doing their mystery card.
We're little. We get stuff easy.
They're going to have to do... Ooh, hello, baby. I'm not to run over you.
You have to know that combination.
They've got to do their mystery card like or similar to what Maymay did.
Most people won't win. Don't worry.
Yep.
It's going to be the closest too. Everybody has a different interpretation, but it's fun to see your interpretation.
Oh, it is. I'm walking around here.
I know. I'm going.
So
I would have never thought. I would have
never
thought of
thought
doing
of
that. And all three of us designed where this one laid out.
Yes.
The three of us did that.
Did you do it? Do I need to rip something? You need to rip something. She wouldn't let me rip them. She said, no ripping.
No one will rip them.
No ripping.
Maymay's got the mystery one there stuck to her chest.
Do you want to show them?
Yeah, let's show them.
Go over here. We'll show the camera.
I don't have though. You're really cute.
All right, lean it over here, over the side.
Okay, we're going to show the mystery to you guys.
Did you see it?
Oh,
Isn't it cute?
Fantastic.
This is like,
What did she not get? Oh no!
I probably was, but I didn't.
Do we have another card kit of the Whaley Cute? Just give her a fresh kit because she might want to change the way she's doing things so she didn't have sentiment. Yeah. We got one done. All right, I have to wait till everyone's done and I'll walk around the room and see what we're looking like.
Finished over here too.
Yes.
Great. And see, I've not seen the mystery one, so I don't know what it looks like.
Let's see, or a C. I thought it was a boat too, but I was like, oh.
Yeah. You just need to be on either.
Everybody is busy, busy. Huh? Sweater off. I got you. I got you.
Mine was totally different from anybody else's.
Let's get the queen. Yeah.
Not now. I'm not stopping your video. When you get a second, come up. I'll show you.
Okay. Let's get the queen here. She's queen.
Newly
Everybody
elevated.
needs. Yes. Newly elevated to queen. Everybody needs to bow to her. Oh, look at that diamond. Oh my goodness.
100% plastic.
Woo.
You remember the show that used to be
Got
on
to.
TV a long time ago called Queen for a Day?
Yes. Yes.
There you go.
She may be a queen for more than one day.
That's right.
A washing machine.
We are leaving St. Thomas. So I just wanted to show y'all this. Isn't it pretty? It's so pretty to see that boat way out there in the sun. Gorgeous. Way back over there is a little island. And I can't really see what I'm filming because the sun's so bright. tooting this morning. Looks like a painting, doesn't it? A fishing boat out there. I'm going to try to get you a shot of the teal water without dropping my phone, hopefully, in the ocean. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? See how there's our little trail back there. That water is so teal. I can't believe how pretty it is. It's beautiful. It is just the bluest, tealest water I have ever seen. Even on the other cruise, I don't think it was this teal. Oh, now the sun's going behind the boat or the ship. So now I can film a little bit better. I can see what I'm filming. There's the islands. Virgin Islands. We had a wild cab ride on that one today. We'll have to tell you about that one. They're not huge, but I think it was, let's see, yesterday the population was 23,000 on that one, and I don't remember what the one today, St. Thomas, was. But there's the ships over there, as you can see right there. See if I can zoom in for you. That's where we were, up there. And then we left out before the Disney and the other one, Carnival did. I don't know why, but we left early. But really, we left later than we were supposed to because there was 5 people that they couldn't find that didn't get back on the ship in time. So I don't know if they ever found them or not, but they went ahead and left about 2 hours late. We were supposed to left at 2. But anyways, me and Dad made sure we got back on in plenty of time. Because if you get left here, you can't get back in the United States unless you've got a passport. So when we got off, we made sure that we got where we were going and back in a hurry. Because we sure didn't want to be left at St. Thomas. We did find a Kmart though. We found a Kmart. We got Dad's Band-Aids and razor, and I got me a curling iron because we left my curling iron in the car, and I've been having to use Maymay straightener. So we got that. And then we got lots of goodies for all of you guys. Alright, just wanted to film this for y'all, let you see. I'm gonna stand here and watch this for a while, and then I think I'm gonna go in. Oh, there's a little sailboat right up there. I don't know if you can see it yet. It looks teeny tiny from here, but I'm sure it's not that little. It's finding right there, I think. There he is. A little sailboat out there. And then off in the distance over there, I don't know what that is. Can't really tell what that is yet. But that's where we're headed in that direction. I can't remember what our next stop is. I'll have to look at my schedule. But I will film some more for you guys later. Love y'all. Miss you. Bye. In the middle of the ocean, you can't see anything but water. Water, water, water everywhere. And believe it or not, once I get out here, it doesn't bother me at all. It's when we first left the dock, then I got a little queasy. But now Daddy says it's bothering him a little bit. But it's just beautiful. All this water. That's how fast we're going right there. Alright, well, we'll talk to y'all later. Love you. Bye.